We are Karma India. We are into the manufacturing business of mobility solutions for people with special needs. Also people who are old age, who are having difficulty to walk and carry on their daily life. Starting from manual wheelchair, we have range from power wheelchair, power scooters, and also a very special kind of wheelchair called standing wheelchair, which can make a person stand on its own. This we have launched in India. When we started our shop in India, we decided to go for Ramco on Demand after going through a lot of other ERP solution providers. We found Ramco on Demand to be very suitable to our need at that stage, and they have been growing with us ever since we started our shop. They have been catering to our special needs and they have been supporting us in setting up the controls and procedures to grow faster. We have been growing at a very fast pace and Ramco has been supporting us all the way along.
We are a company that went from legacy platform of information sharing to the full-blown Ramco on-demand ERP in just 11 days. So going from nothing to a full-fledged ERP in such less time is quite some growth. Optimagent, Ramco partner, did an excellent implementation and the support provided by them was really admirable. Our employees initially found it difficult to work on ERP, and now it's been more than a year we have been using the solution and the full acceptance of ERP is noticed now. I believe we have a world-class tool operating on a platform where the big players play, and now Karma is right there. We are using just the same screen, same transaction, and we have the same potency as those big companies. Karma is one of them. We expect to expand more with Ramco on Demand ERP helping us to grow.
We are thankful to Ramco on Demand.